Larissa is here. Welcome to my channel. I'm 60, happy, living my best life, traveling alone in Mexico. Let me take you on a journey with me. So first of all, I'm going to give you a tour of the house I'm currently renting in Puerto Vallarta. Specifically, it's Nueva Vallarta. I'm renting this house for 2,000 Canadian dollars. Pre-pandemic time, this house was over 5,000 Canadian dollars, but I managed to secure it for 2,000. If you're interested in finding more information about the rent, please subscribe to my channel and comment below, and I give you tips, leave some contact information of the real estate agent at the end of the video. So now let me give you a tour. So come on in this beautiful, very luxurious and very big house. So that's a living area. I have really comfortable couches here. Look at this beautiful dining table. So it's probably for 8-10 people. So now let me show you my kitchen. So this house is a brand new. I'm the very first guest living in this house. So I really like the kitchen area, and kitchen is important to me. I really like Mexican food, but also I like to cook. And for me, the very important thing in the kitchen is a blender. I am a smoothie girl. I like to make nutritious, delicious green smoothie in the morning. I can share my recipe with you if you're interested, and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below if you're interested to know how I make my smoothie, green smoothie. And I will make another video about how I make really nutritious and really simple and fast smoothie. Okay, so now let's come in a little bit more over. And this is a funny thing about Mexico. So you see this fridge is kind of on a funny position. So like I mentioned before, the house is brand new, but the electrical outlet was broken, which is right behind the fridge. So I called the guy, he came and he said, yeah, we're gonna fix it. And it's gonna be mañana, which means tomorrow. So 1 week passed by and the fridge is still there. But you know what, you're in Mexico and you just don't care about that. It works fine, so I just enjoy the time in Mexico. So let's continue on. So let's go outside and I'll show you the outside pool area. That's where I spend my morning. So here is swimming pool. It has the jets I can turn on and off. So if you see, here is my workout place. So in the morning I do my miracle mornings. So miracle mornings include stretch, yoga flow, or breathe in. So it depends on the day. Also, you can see the rocks. So I do my rock workout. Because I didn't pack weights, it's too heavy to bring. So I'm just using the rocks from the beach. And if you're interested to see my rock workouts, please subscribe and leave the comments, and I will share my new videos about my workouts, about my yoga, about my stretch, my miracle mornings. That's really cool thing. So that is my really favorite area in the morning. So usually it's dark. I wake up really early in the morning and it's dark and it's lots of stars. So it gives me like really nice, calm sensation. So I love this area. Also, this is a garage and I have, if you look here, so here is the laundry. So it's a washer and dryer machine right there. Very spacious. So now, come on and follow me please. I'll show my bedroom. So I have 4 bedrooms in a house. And they're pretty similar, but I chose this one because it's pretty unique. So come on in, guys. So what I like about that bedroom, this is nice open window from ceiling down to the floor, and it has a few plants down there with sand, and again it gives me a really nice calm sensation when I go to sleep or when I wake up in the morning. So I really like this bedroom. And now we are going to walk-in closet. It's pretty big. So each bedroom has similar walk-in closet. So that's where I can hang my clothes. Okay. And following here, that's in the bathroom. Over here. There you go. Pretty spacious, very big. So very modern. I showed you only one bedroom and the house has 4, but they are pretty similar. So I want to show you the outside of the house and a little bit of neighborhood. So coming out, it's nice sunny. Look at that beautiful blue sky. Very, very secure neighborhood. That's the thing I like about the house. It's a double gated security place. Also, I really like the neighbors here. So they're so friendly people. You can just knock at the door and ask them, him or her, any questions, and they will give you the best advice. Also, I give you another tip, guys. If you want to find something in Mexico, talk to people, talk and ask, and they are willing to share any information with you. That is actually how I found this house. Like I mentioned, I checked in a hotel, and about 4 days later, I found this house just by talking to the person on the street. I made the contact and friends, and then he gave me another contact. That is how I come to this house, and I negotiated the price, and I like it. Okay, so let's just look around. Look at the house from outside. It's a huge house, 5,000 square feet. Very big. And now in the neighborhood. So lots of construction is going on. So lots of lots on sale and new houses are coming. So daytime it's a little bit noisy, but the sound insulation of the house is really good, so you can't hear anything inside the house. And most of the time I'm out, either I'm on the beach or I'm having something to eat. So let's just walk a little bit more over. I'll just show you a little bit more around here. Okay, so let's just look around. Lots of land is still on sale. If you see that sign, se vende, so that means it's still on a sale. And if you're interested in real estate, again, subscribe and leave the comments below, and I share the information with you with the real estate agent who helped me to find this house. Okay guys, so I showed you my house and my neighborhood. So in all likelihood I'm going to be in this house for another maybe week or 2 weeks, and I'm going to be looking for an apartment closer to the beach. So please subscribe to my channel, don't forget to press the like button and follow my journey. Thanks for watching everybody, ciao ciao!